What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got a pretty cool video for you guys today. I think y'all are gonna like, and it was actually Ashton's idea, of course, so I know y'all are gonna like it. Y'all are all for Ashton. But so what I got for y'all today, we're just gonna kind of go over what you need to know, different things you need to know, what to expect, sacrifices, so on and so forth of lifting a truck. And I think it'll be a pretty good one for you guys, as a lot of people, they don't know what they're gonna run into when they go to lifting trucks, Jeeps, cars, you know, people lift cars now too. But whenever they go to lift anything, they don't know what to expect. So we're gonna dive into that. And oh yeah, and obviously I'm not talking out of my ass just because I got a big lifted truck from good buddy Mark now. The Dodge here, I'll put some pictures in. I used to have a camo wrap on it. It had an 8-inch lift on it with 22.5-inch Alcoas, the works. I'll put a couple pictures. And I dropped it down. It's actually got a 3-inch rough country lift. I'm not going to go into how that suspension rides. I'll leave that for you guys. So, not talking out of my ass. Just keep that in mind. Driven a little bit of everything. Bugs flying everywhere in here. Say what's up.
Hi, don't forget to hit the like button.
So, we're actually heading to get lunch, and we're just going to kind of film in between. I got my camera lady with me, so I'll let her film some. But I'll catch you guys in between. So, one of the main things people want to bring up whenever you're lifting your truck, hang on a second, is the drivability. This thing rides like butter, and compared to my other Dodge, definitely rides like butter. That could be because of the brand of the company. I'm not going to get into that. I'll let you guys hash that out in the comment section if you want to hash it out. But this thing rides like butter. It's got a 6-inch lift, and like I said in the walk around video, if you guys want to go check it out, it's pieced together, so I don't necessarily know the brand, but this thing rides like a damn dream. My other Dodge, it's a rattle box. Ashton Jeep rides good, but not as good as this thing, I don't think. So whenever that comes to mind, so whenever people bring that up, all I can really say is spend your money wisely, I guess. Pick your brands, do your shopping, because I don't think that's always the case. This thing rides like butter. My other truck, it just has a 3-inch lift on it. It rides like a damn rattle box, so who knows? I'll leave it up to you guys. But I do not think you're going to have to worry about sacrificing your ride if you lift your truck. So we made it to lunch, guys. We are eating at Cheddar's. We love some Cheddar's. But just got one more thing real quick that I wanted to throw in here that you guys need to keep in mind whenever you're driving your huge lifted truck. I'm short, it's not a big deal though. I'm used to jumping and hopping and everything, doing what I need to do to crawl in, throw a knee if I have to. But if you got little bitty people in your life, if you're a lady, if she's little bitty like mine is, 5 foot, 5'1" or whatever, if you got people you drive around often, parents, stuff like that, it's gonna be tough for them. But there is a solution for that. Them bad boys right there. Hop out so you can just, you need them for sure. Now, she'd have to cock a knee up to get in there without them bad boys. But these amp steps, I mean, they are a world of difference. And you can tell, hell, she's still a little bitty. Her head's still not at the top of the truck whenever she's standing on the step. Check them bad boys out. And then you don't even see them. The cleanest can be. Pick your poison. You can get your regular running boards if you want. But them amp steps, I think that's just the way to go. You have to spend a little bit of money to get them, but they're worth it. They last. And for Ashton's Jeep as well, we've been looking into them. We saw some in Jeep Invasion, but they have some amp style, I don't know the name of them, some amp style steps that are rock sliders as well. So drop some comments in the comment section below and let me know if you guys know anything about that.
And I love them. They are a blessing.
Oh yeah, and like I say, she'd have to jump to get in and out. But anyways, guys, we're gonna run in here, get some lunch. Don't worry, we got our masks. We're masked up. We'll catch you guys in a bit. Lunch, guys, and I gotta say, I am disgusted. It's humid, stuffed. It's good though.
Margaritas.
Shout out Cheddar's. Yeah, Ashton had margaritas. It wasn't a margarita, it was some weird strawberry cream thing. But disgusted to say the least. And I just wanted to show you guys one more time how handy these amp steps are. Oh yeah, look like robbers whenever we go inside the place. Oh hell, it's locked. I'm gonna have to come around. How about I show you guys it helping me get in? Let me go over here real quick. They help me too. I'm a short shit. I didn't bring the key fob with me, so hers is locked. There we go. Oh my God, fails on fails. Come on, Marcus, get your head in the game. Yep, amp step. Yeah. You need that amp step, right?
Always.
Always. I just had to jump out and show you guys one more thing right quick. About to storm on us too, I think. There's some wicked looking clouds. I just want to show you guys one more thing. Fitting in some areas. Drive-throughs, bank drive-throughs, any kind of drive-through, probably not going to fit in if you have anything with a negative 44 offset over. It's probably not going to work out too well. I wouldn't advise it anyway if you like the way your rims look. So this is our situation. Obviously, we got plenty of spots. They're not busy today. You can park closer if you want, but keep it in mind. If you're butthurt like I am, you're going to be parking a football field away just about every single time. Just to avoid people, tight areas, people hitting your stuff, and fitting in general. So I just had to hop out real quick and show you guys that one more thing. Even over this thing. Amazing. One more thing that you're liable to encounter whenever you lift your vehicle and put oversized wheels and tires on it is your speedometer will need to be recalibrated. Ashton's Jeep, we put 35s on it with 17s. I think it knocked it off somewhere around 5 mile an hour. Maybe even a little better, 8 mile an hour or something. If you're running 55, you're running just about 65. Something like that. We haven't recalibrated it yet, so it don't bother us. But same thing with trucks like this. It's probably knocked off 5 mile an hour or so. But most tuners that you get, Smarties, your Bully Dogs, your Edges, any of them, even if they're not tuners, even if there's an Insight or something like that, you can usually recalibrate it and put your wheel and tire size in there. So I just wanted to let you guys know that real quick. We're going to get back on the road. All these third gen Dodges, they have got some sloppy steering, and they're known for it as well. Any Dodge for that matter, really. Second and third gen. Fourth gens, nothing to brag about either. Sloppy steering, but as we're driving along, this thing's tight, and then I remember it's got the dual steering stabilizer kit from Rough Country, and that's what I got on my other Dodge, but we have no driving time on that steering stabilizer kit, so nothing to say for it yet. But based off this truck, it's amazing. 22s with 37s, and this steering's tight. No complaints at all. So just keep that in mind. If you lift already from the get-go, your truck's gonna have sloppy steering, but if you lift it, it's gonna be even worse. So just go ahead and get yourself a steering stabilizer kit. The dual steering stabilizers are not much more than the singles, so I'd go ahead and spend the money and get them. Back at the shop, guys. Before we get the Dodge pulled in here, or the white Dodge, and by the way, guys, leave some comments in the comment section below. We need some names for all the vehicles. We got the old Grey Goose over here. We got the White Stallion. What the hell you want to call this? What's the Jeep?
Woodsway.
What? Woodsway? Okay. Woodsway. I like it. Before we get the white Dodge pulled back in here, I want to try to move this bad boy that way. It really, really needs to be moved that way. See how the SN's kind of hanging over here? We need to shimmy shay that bad boy that way, so that's what we're going to do. It may be a 30-point turn. We're going to try to get it that way so we got more room. And then we'll get that thing pulled in here, and I got just a couple more things I want to talk to you guys about and win this video off. Thing I wanted to touch base with you guys on was just front end components, and here's a good shot of those Rough Country dual steering stabilizers. It's a nice kit, and it does help the steering, tightens it up a whole lot, gets rid of some of the slop. And that's not everything. You can go up to the steering box, steering linkage, so on and so forth. Your damn steering shaft, everything comes into play whenever it comes to old age with these Dodges or any vehicle for that matter. So depending on your suspension configuration, obviously, solid axle, independent suspension, whatever the case may be, you may be replacing CV axles, tie rod ends, ball joints, the works, steering linkage, sway bar end links, sway bar. Everything can be beefed up to make the suspension better on these things. And people will say, whenever you lift these things, it's not going to affect your any of your front end components. Nothing's going to wear any faster. I kind of call bullshit. I won't say 100% certain. I don't have any proof. But lifting these vehicles, putting bigger, heavier wheels and tires on them, they will 100% wear on these trucks a whole lot faster. That Dodge, like I say, I'll put pictures in the beginning of the video. See, went through 2 sets of ball joints on that truck within a year. And those were custom cut semi wheels, so they were 200 pounds a piece on a 3/4 ton pickup, so obviously that comes into play. But I've seen wheels fly off of 1/2 ton pickups. You come past them, they're duck footed and everything, and usually that comes into play whenever they throw bigger wheels and tires. I lost my train of thought in that last clip. If you guys didn't notice, I just kind of took off rambling and completely forgot where I was going. I do that all the time. So I just wanted to jump under here and show you guys just a little bit of what I was talking about. Here's your rough country dual steering stabilizer kit, and bang for your buck, that is the way to go. Look those guys up for sure. So you got your longer sway bar end links, extended, whatever you want to call them. Obviously gonna want to get those, and usually whenever they're extended for a lift, they come a little beefier. As you guys can see, them sway bar end links are just as about as wide, or as girthy, I guess you could say, as the steering linkage and the sway bar. it's pretty close to it. So you're gonna want your extended links, sway bar end links. Come over here and get you guys a better look. And then you got your steering linkage drop bracket here, and then they'll come up here, and you've got your pitman arm drop that you guys are also gonna want to keep in mind. So as you're lifting these vehicles, all the geometry, everything is just going completely out of whack, especially if you're on the high 3 inches. Don't really worry about it. Get into the 6-inch lifts and stuff like that. It's whenever it's going to come into play. And obviously, independent suspension versus solid axle, everything's going to be a little different, but you still got your fail points, you still got your weak points, so just keep that in mind for sure. I hope y'all enjoyed. I know it was a little bit shorter, maybe a little everywhere, but me and Ashton had a blast filming it. Anytime she's around, I just have way more fun filming. Just breaks it up a little bit, I guess. But we just want to give a huge thanks to our subscribers. We just crested 300. On our way to 500. Huge thanks to you guys. Bear with me. I know it's a little hard to listen to me sometimes, probably. I'm a country ass, so it's hard for me to talk sometimes. But we're getting the hang of things for sure. So huge thanks to you guys. Big things coming. Here's one more view. It's the best of both worlds, guys. I know I keep saying it. 6-inch lift. This one's got 3-inch. But take that with a grain of salt. She's coming back down, guys. This truck is getting completely repurposed. Drop your comments below if you think you know what's going on over here. Big shout out to Mike Shaw 926 on Instagram for liking my picture. Yeah. So over here, we also got a lot of stuff on the way. It'd be about a week or 2 out before we get something in on this one. But the next few days, we got some stuff coming in. So definitely stay tuned for that. We got a whole lot coming at you guys for sure. I don't think you guys know what's coming. Got a lot in store for sure. So don't forget to
like, comment, and subscribe.
Ah, you're so beautiful. That's gonna about do it for this video. Guys, you heard the woman. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Go check out our Instagrams, at woodsway_auto. Hers is at Ashton Actually, I believe. Type it in, you'll find her anyway. I'll see you guys in the next one.